The kind old man in the mountains. High in the mountains, far from the busy city, there lived an old man. His name was Tom. People in the nearby village called him the kind old man. Tom lived alone in a small wooden house. The house was simple. It had one room, one small kitchen, and a window facing the mountains. Every morning, the old man woke up early. He woke up before the sun. He liked the quiet morning air. He slowly got out of bed. He washed his face with cold water. Then he stood near the window. From his window, he could see tall mountains. He could see green trees. He could hear birds singing. The old man smiled every morning. He felt thankful for his life. After that, he made tea. He boiled water. He added tea leaves. He drank his tea slowly. Tom did not have much money, but he had a peaceful heart. He was happy with simple things. Near his house, there was a small path. People from the village used this path. They walked through the mountains every day. The old man knew many people. Children liked him. Old people respected him. When someone passed his house, Tom always say, "Good morning, how are you?" If someone looked tired, he asked kindly, "Are you okay?" Many years ago, Tom had a family. He had a wife and a son. But life was not always kind. His wife became sick. She passed away many years ago. Later, his son moved to the city. The city was far away. Now the old man lived alone. Sometimes he felt lonely, but he never becomes angry or bitter. He believed life must be lived with kindness. One afternoon, dark cloud covered the mountains. The weather changed quickly. A strong wind began to blow. Rain started to fall. The path became wet and slippery. Tom stood near his door. He looked worried. Suddenly, he saw a young man. The young man was walking slowly. His clothes were wet. The young man looked tired and scared. He was new to this place. Tom called him, "Come inside, my son." The young man was surprised, but he felt safe. He entered the house. The old man gave him a towel. He gave him warm tea. The young man said softly, "Thank you, I was lost." Tom smiled. He said, "You are safe here." They sat together. Rain fell outside. The house felt warm. The young man told his story. He came from the city. He wanted peace. He said, "Life in the city is very fast. People are always busy. No one has time." Tom listened quietly. He nodded his head. He said, "Peace is not a place. Peace is inside us." The rain stopped after some time. The sky became clear again. The young man stood up. He thanked the old man again. Before leaving, Tom gave him food. He showed him the right path. The young man smiled. He said, "I will never forget you." Day passed, weeks passed. The old man continued his simple life. He helped travelers. He spoke kindly to everyone. One morning, a letter arrived. It was from his son. His son wrote, "Father, I miss you. I want to come home." Tears filled the old man's eyes, but they were happy tears. He looked at the mountains. He whispered, "Thank you." Some months later, his son returns. The small house was full of laughter again. The old man was no longer alone. People still walk on the mountain path, and they still meet the kind old man. Tom teaches everyone one lesson. Kindness makes life beautiful. Listen again, feel the story, and remember, kindness makes life beautiful. Thank you for watching.